Good morning, students. Students, open page 177. Today we'll do some story sums. Okay. So now see exercise 7, first question. Okay. So in this question, what it is given? On her birthday, Simi bought a packet of 80 cookies. She distributed 36 cookies to her friends. How many are left with her? Okay, so Simi, she bought how many cookies? 80 cookies, right, on her birthday. Now she distribute how much cookies? 36 cookies to his friends. Sorry, to her friends, right? Now how many cookies are left behind? Okay, that one we have to find it. So what we will do here? It asking about the leftover things, right? So we'll do subtraction. Okay, so now total number of cookies that Simi bought is 80, right? And the number of cookies that she distributed, 36, right? Now we'll do subtraction. So we'll always start from ones place value. So now see the values that are in ones place. 0 and 6 is there. Now the upper number, that is the 0, it is the lesser one, it is less than 6, right? So now this 0 will borrow 1 from 8. Now this 8, it will borrow 1 and it will give 1 and it will become 7, and this 0, it will become 10. Okay. 1 0 10. So now 10 minus 6, it will be how much? 4. 7 minus 3, 4. So total, or I can say not a total, so the number of cookies that are left with her is how much? 44 cookies. So after distributing 36 cookies from 80, the cookies that left behind, or that the cookies that are left with her is 44. Okay, now see the next question. In class 2, there are 46 girls and 38 boys. How many more girls are there than boys? So here it states that 46 girls are there and 38 boys are there, right? So we have to find out how much or how many girls are there, more girls are there than boys. Okay, so this one is the classroom. Okay, so we know that from the question that 46 girls are there and 38 boys are there. Okay, we have to find how much or how many girls that are more than boys. Okay, so now we'll do what? Subtraction, because here it states about the comparison, and I already told you that whenever in the question it asks about the comparison, how much more, how many more, right, we will always do what? Subtraction. Okay, so now see the ones place value, 6 and 8 is there. Now 6 is less than 8, right? So now this 6 will borrow 1 from tens place. So this 4, it will become 3, and this 6, it will become 16, right? Now 16 minus 8, it will be how much? 8. 3 minus 3, it will be how much? 0. We know that when we subtract the same number, we'll get 0. So how many girls that are more than boys? 8 girls. Okay, okay, now see the third one. In a car park, there are 65 white cars and 56 red cars. How many less red cars are there than white cars? Now from the question only we get to know that 65 white cars are there and 56 red cars are there. So the white cars, or I can say the number of white cars are greater than the red cars, right? Now it asks how many less red cars are there. So we know that whenever in the question it asks about how many more, how many less, we'll do what? Subtraction, right? So after subtraction we'll get to know how many less cars are there than white cars. So here you can see the white cars and red cars. Okay, so in the question it is given 65 white cars are there and 56 red cars are there. Okay, now we'll do what? Subtraction. So we'll always start from ones place. See the values 5 and 6. 5 is less than 6, so it will borrow 1, right, from its neighbor. So this 6 it will give 1 and it will become 5. Now this 5 it will become 15. 10 will added with that number, right? Now 15 minus 6 it will be how much? 9. Now 5 minus 5 it will be how much? 0, right? So the number of red cars that are less than white cars are how many? 9 cars. Okay. Okay, now see the next one, number 4. Sonali has 86 stamps. 45 stamps are Indian stamps. How many are not Indian stamps? So total how many stamps she have? 86, right? Now out of these 86, 45 are only Indian stamps. Now we have to find out the leftover stamps that are not Indian stamps. Okay, so these are these stamps, right? So now in the question only it is given 86 stamps are there, and out of these 86, 45 stamps are Indian stamps. Okay, now we have to find the number of stamps that are not Indian stamps. Okay, so we'll do subtraction. We have to find out the leftover, right? So see the ones place value 6 and 5 is there. Now 6 is greater than 5, right? Now we can do simple subtraction. So 6 minus 5 it will be how much? 1. 8 minus 4 it will be how much? 4. So our answer will be what? 41. So there are 41 stamps that are not Indian stamps. Okay. Okay, now see the last question. Question number 5. There are 36 children in class 2C. 28 children went for the class picnic. How many did not go? So total 36 children are there, and from the 36 children 28 children went for the picnic, right? Now how many children didn't go for the picnic? That one we have to find it. Okay, so see, these are the children that are went for the picnic. Okay, so how many children are there? 36, and from the 36 children 28 children went for the picnic, right? So now we'll find out the children that they didn't go out. So see the ones place, 6 is there and 8 is there. Now 6 is less than 8, so 6 will borrow 1 from 10's place. So this 3 it will become 2, and this 6 it will become 16. Now 16 minus 8 it will be how much? 8. And 2 minus 2 it will be how much? 0. So number of children that didn't go for the picnic is 8. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the story sums. Okay, how we can find out how to identify which story sums we have to do addition and What are the story sums? That we need to do subtraction. Okay, so that's all for today. Now I will send you the answer of these 5 questions. Okay, you will write this one in your classwork copy. Okay.